How to zoom in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and head over to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in if needed. Once you are there, click on All Tools and choose any tool to open your PDF, like Edit a PDF or add comments. Upload your file. Once your PDF opens, look at the bottom center of the viewer. You will see a plus and minus sign. Those are your zoom tools. Click the plus button to zoom in and see details of tools. Want a faster way? Press Ctrl and plus if you are using Windows and Command and plus if you are using Mac. You can also hold Ctrl or Command and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in. Super smooth and quick. And that's how you can zoom in on your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.